Hi everyone. We are here in week 4 of the semester. You have 2 assignments that will be due this week. The first one is the Tell Us About You forum posting. Please make sure that you go out and complete that. I am enjoying reading those, so make sure that you do that. The second assignment is called a library database assignment. You'll be able to see here as I click on week 4 of this semester under assignments. You'll be able to click on this Word document. It will have all of the instructions for you. But what I'm going to do for this video is show you how to navigate our Kent Library website so that you can find what it is that you need for this assignment. So the purpose of the assignment is to make sure that you understand how to use one of our library subscription databases. And I'm going to show you what it means here in a moment whenever we talk about a subscription database. And so what I'm going to do is I have a link here under your readings, videos, and resources. It says Kent Library website used for your library database assignment. So that's the link that you want to click on, and it's going to take you right into Kent Library's homepage. Now you can't probably see the very top of it based on how I have the screen set up. But what you're going to do whenever you get here to the main page is to click on this Articles and Databases link, okay? And this is kind of to help you start to figure out how to conduct good, appropriate research, good academic, scholarly research as a college student, because remember we have some issues with Google, and so we want to make sure that you kind of know where you can go to make sure that you have good research. So what I clicked on was the Articles and Databases link. Over on the left-hand side of the page, you can see, as I scroll down, a very, very, very long list of subject-specific databases. And so if you are, for example, a psychology major and you've got a psychology class and you're asked to conduct some research, you can come to this page and come down and you'll see that there's a psych articles database, there's psychology journals, there's psych info. So you've got lots of great information there, some good science information, some social science information, pretty much every subject that we have here on campus, you'll be able to find something specific for it. But what we're going to do for the purposes of this assignment is to kind of help you use one of our general databases. And over here on the right-hand side of the page, you'll see something here that says not sure where to start. These are always good if you just, kind of want to jumpstart your research process to see what's out there. But we have 3 links here, this Academic Search Complete, OmniFile, Full Text, and ProQuest Central. These are good general databases where you can find some good information out there that's going to be appropriate scholarly research. So these are the databases that we're going to use for this assignment, and you only have to use one, but I wanted you to see that there are 3 of them out there. Now I mentioned a minute ago that the purpose of this is to make sure you understand how to use our subscription databases. What we mean by that is that the library purchases the rights to use these for students and faculty and staff here at the university. And in order to be able to access these, you have to be affiliated with the university. So you can't see it very well on my screen because I'm doing this on my computer at work, which is the university computer, but you might be able to see on one of your off-campus computers this lock that's next to each of these links, okay? And so what that means is that in order for you to access this particular database, you have to use your Southeast key and password to log in to use it. So what will happen is that if you're at an off-campus computer, you click on this link. If I click on Academic Search Complete, what you're going to have to do is it's going to bring up a login page. You'll log in, and then it'll bring you right here to the search page, okay? And so I'm going to move this up just a little bit here at the top, and we're going to just start with Academic Search Complete. You can use any of the others. In fact, I would sort of encourage you to play around with all 3 just to see if you get some different hits here. But what you're going to be doing for your library database assignment is you're going to be finding an article that has to do with first-year college students. It's a very big general topic, and I did that on purpose to make sure that you had enough information to look through. Later on in the semester, when you are researching your specific topic for your final paper, and presentation, it'll be a little trickier. But for this is a very, very big topic, so you won't have any trouble. So what you can see up here are these search fields, and I'm just going to type in first year college students. We'll just do that here. Now I want to show you a couple of things here under search options, and the other two links that we have, sorry about that, my phone just went off. The other two links that we have these options as well, but they might be in different places on the page. But for here under Academic Search Complete, where it says limit your results, I would, for all of you, really encourage you to make sure that you click on the full text option. What that means is that it is only going to pull resources where you will be able to read the whole article or the whole chapter or whatever the case may be, okay? As opposed to just an abstract about something. So I want you to read a full article, scholarly, out of a scholarly journal, whatever the case may be, okay? I don't want you to just read the abstract. And so we've got our subject typed in here, our search term, we've got our full text. Let's go ahead and hit the search button and we'll see how many it pulls for us. Okay, so it's pulled over 1,000, which is what I expected. And so what you then have to do is just kind of go through. We've got information about diversity in first-year students, household location, FAFSA, which has to do with federal financial aid, college students and drinking, all kinds of information. And so what I want you to do is to find an article that sounds interesting to you. Most of them will probably have a PDF full text link here. If you click on that, it'll bring up the whole article. What you'll need to do then is to read the article and then follow the instructions on the library database assignment sheet. And I want you to follow those instructions very carefully to make sure that you've set it up the way I've asked you to set it up and that you've covered all of the information that I've asked you to cover. I'm going to be asking you to provide a brief summary of the article, and the program that I'm going to have you load your assignment into does a plagiarism check. And so if you just lift the information out of the article abstract and put it into your summary, it is going to catch that and I will know that you have plagiarized, okay? So I need your own words, in your own words, to summarize the article. You'll need to provide me with a reaction, and then you're going to have to provide some citation information. Just follow the assignment directions on that. But I wanted you to be able to see here how you can go in and access these different databases. It's going to be enormously useful to you as you're kind of continuing your time through college here. Okay, you do have a week to complete this assignment. So, like I said, start on it early. Give yourself enough time. Don't wait until the last minute. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks, everyone. Bye.